Self-practice 4.8. Question 1. Triangle ABC. Right. Let's try to draw a triangle. Okay. A, B, and C has an angle ABC of 60. ABC means the angle will be right at the middle, at B, 60. AB is 3 sed 3. BC is 4 sed 3. Determine the length of AC. Okay, actually to solve this, there is a very easy formula which is called the cosine rule. But that cosine rule is in chapter 9 of form 4. But here we haven't learned that yet, so we try to use whatever we know. Okay, so to do this, we use the long way of using SOHCAHTOA. Right, so to use SOHCAHTOA or Pythagoras theorem, we need a right angle triangle. So we try to draw a perpendicular line here. Okay, so this perpendicular line divides the triangle into two right angle triangles. From this right angle triangle, we have the theta, we have the hypotenuse, we can find the opposite and adjacent. Okay, let's try. So let's call this point D. Okay, right. So let's first find AD, length of AD. So this is our opposite. Okay, from this angle, this is the opposite. This will be the adjacent. And this will be the hypotenuse. Okay, so to find AD, we don't have the, we are finding AD, so we're finding opposite. We have the hypotenuse. So O and H, we use sine, because sine theta is O over H. So sine 60 is opposite, which is AD, over 3 sed 3. Therefore, AD is 3 sed 3 times sine 60. Right. 3 sed 3 times sine 60. So you get 4.5. Okay. So AD is found. AD is 4.5. Now we can find BD. So BD is adjacent. So formula relating adjacent with hypotenuse will be cos. So we can say cos theta is adjacent over hypotenuse. So cos 60 adjacent is called BD. Hypotenuse is 3 sed 3. Don't get confused with this 4 sed 3. 4 sed 3 is from here until here. So now we are just finding from here until here. Okay, so BD will be 3 sed 3 cos 60. We get 3 sed 3 over 2. Keep it in surd form because they want the exact values lah. Okay, this is a surd topic anyway. Right, so adjacent is now 3 sed 3 over 2. This is from here until here. And this is from here all the way until here. Okay. So now, since we know this whole length and we know this length, I think it's quite easy to find this length. So this length DC, I'll write down here. So the length of DC is just 4 sed 3 minus 3 sed 3 over 2. So 4 sed 3 minus 3 sed 3 over 3 set 3 over 2. We get 5 set 3 over 2. Set 3 over 2. Right. So this is 5 set 3 over 2. And remember, this is also a right angle triangle. So now we can easily find AC lah. Since this is a right angle triangle, we have this length and this length. We can easily find the hypotenuse using Pythagoras theorem. So a square plus b square equals to c square. So you can say a square plus b square equals to c square. So 4.5 square plus 5 set 3 over 2 square equals to AC square. Therefore, AC will be the square root of all this. Okay, let me just put this in our calculator. So square root of 4.5 square plus 5 set 3 over 2 square. So we get surd 39. So we can say AC is surd 39. Done. This is the length of AC. Okay, so this is the long way lah. This is how you're supposed to do if you haven't learned chapter 9. Let me show you what happens if you already learned chapter 9. You can solve it way easily. I mean, don't have to do so many steps lah. We don't even need the right angle triangles. Oops. This one don't need. This one don't need. Okay. Right. If we learn chapter 9, okay, there's a formula called the cosine rule. It says a square is b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a. So if this is angle A, this will be length A. So since there is only one angle here, there's only one angle in this formula. So we have to use, this has to be angle A, this has to be length A. So AC square, the other two B and C doesn't matter lah, can be anything. So 3 set 3 square plus 4 set 3 square minus 2bc b c cos 60. So you can just finish it up in one formula. So 3 set 3 set 3 square plus 4 set 3 4 set 3 square minus 2 times 3 set 3 4 set 3 cos 60. So a square is 39. So AC square is 39. So AC will be surd 39. You can just solve it in using one formula. No need to break the triangle, no need to find this, no need to find that. Okay, but this is chapter 9 lah. Okay, so let's say if it comes out in SPM, of course you can just use this, because by the time SPM you already study all the chapters. That's it.